Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. Today's recipe is a nice crispy noodle spring roll. Now before I move on to the recipe, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so that you don't miss out on the recipes posted. Now let's begin. You'll need to make the noodle first. Today I've used the Indomie noodles. You can use Maggi, top ramen or any noodle of your choice. Put in the masalas which comes along with it. And you'll need to make a dry noodles, not the soupy ones. If there's excess water, you can just drain it and keep it aside. Now let's prepare the filling. For that, take a pan, pour in oil, around 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, put in 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic. Saute it for a few seconds. And now you'll need to add green chilies. Here I've added 3 chopped green chilies. You can add 1 or 2 more if you like it very spicy. 1 sliced onion. Keep the flame high so that you get your vegetables crisp. Add in half teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. And now add in capsicum, that's the green capsicum. Saute it on a high flame. Add in cabbage, 1 cup of chopped cabbage. 1 teaspoon of pepper and 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. Mix it all well. Now you'll need to add the cooked noodles. Mix it well. And now your stuffing is ready. And now you'll need to stuff the noodle mixture into the spring roll pastry sheets. Now let's roll the spring rolls. I'll be using the store-bought spring roll pastry sheets. I'll be applying some glue, that's the edible glue. That's maida mixed in water. And you need to put the filling at one end. And you need to roll the spring rolls very tightly so that the oil doesn't get inside the spring rolls. Roll in all the spring rolls and keep it ready. And the next thing we'll need to do is the frying. For that, in a kadai, keep some oil, keep the flame on medium and put in the spring rolls one by one. And you'll need to fry it on both sides till it becomes golden brown. Keep the flame medium, don't make it high. This slow process of frying makes your spring rolls very crispy from inside out. And once it's golden brown, take it out and put it on a tissue so that it absorbs the excess oil. Now you can enjoy your crispy noodle spring rolls. Do give it a try and please let me know your feedbacks in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Until I come back with a new recipe, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.